What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Slow Beer Z. But first, before I start off this video, she sounds so good. Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
Alright, so just a quick explanation of what we're doing today. We are actually gonna go to the beach, and yeah, we're both gonna go to the beach, we're both gonna drink, and we're gonna have a blast because it is a very beautiful day today. Sunny day out in Burbank, California. We're heading out to Santa Monica Beach, and who knows where the day will take us. Look how beautiful it is out today, guys. It's very, very nice. Blue skies, barely any clouds. What are we doing? We're getting a Four Loko?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Oh, shout out to Hot Wheels Dad. She's wearing my shirt. Yeah, that's what's up. Mike's Die Hard or Four Loko?
I might do the Four Loko. Are you gonna do Four Loko?
I'm gonna do a Four Loko.
Okay.
Where's the Four Loko?
You can't do it alone then.
No.
These two.
Oh yeah, we got our Four Loko. We got our Four Loko. I got a bag of chips and she got a protein bar.
Here.
What?
What angle is this right here?
This is a close-up.
This is a close-up.
Yeah, look at me. Yeah, hello.
What is that?
What is what? It's a spaceship sound. It's a Tesla. What do you expect?
No, but
honey,
it was making like weird
love you.
rattlesnake sounds.
I love you.
It wasn't the Tesla, it was the building.
No, I love you.
I love you.
I love you. Alright guys, so we made it over to Santa Monica Pier, or Santa Monica Beach in general. I have a Starbucks drink in my hand right now. JK ate in Starbucks. It's a Four Loko. Yeah, we both got Four Lokos in our Starbucks drink, but we're gonna casually walk around downtown Santa Monica, hit the pier, hit the beach, maybe get some funnel cakes, maybe get a ride in the Ferris wheel. You never know. But we're gonna do all that today because today is the day where we're just trying to have fun. Alright? No depressing shit, no sadness, no nothing. Just fun and drunkenness. Lock your car.
What?
Lock your car, girl.
I did.
Okay, let's go, let's go. No more time wasting. We're gonna walk down to the pier, we're gonna have some fun. Yeah. What are you doing?
Taking photos of my Four Lokos. I mean Starbucks.
The Starbucks, yeah, that's right. That's right, guys. It's Starbucks drink. It's a mango dragon fruit acai without the mango and the dragon fruit and the acai.
And ice.
And ice. Yeah, basically. Whoa, almost dropped my camera.
I thought you were gonna drop it for a second.
Cheers to a lovely day. Beautiful. What is this bullshit walkway right here? We just gotta walk through the dirt? What the So it's either what?
It's either dirt or walking on dirt.
Yeah, clearly.
There's no options there.
What are we doing, love?
What are we doing?
Yeah, I don't know. What are we doing?
We're
a city
walking.
which has foundations.
No, we're gonna go ride on the Ferris wheel.
Are we?
Yeah. Also Sarah herself.
How are you feeling today, Amelia?
So much better.
So much better?
Honestly, yeah.
Oh
Really
yeah,
good.
she's feeling a lot better today. We're gonna go ride the Ferris wheel.
Win a small prize. I can maybe do it for like 30, 40, 45 seconds.
You do it. Oh, so close, so close. So I told Amelia that if I can hang on for 5 minutes straight, I will do her laundry and her dishes
on,
for
like,
3 months.
From a bar. You gotta,
Yes.
you gotta, hanging from a bar for 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes.
You're gonna do my dishes for 3 months.
Yes, and your laundry. And your laundry.
That's
Can't forget the laundry.
That's
It's a lot of steak.
I don't
But
know.
I can do it. I can do it.
I don't know about that.
I got the confidence. We are on the pier of Santa Monica at the I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but we are actually on the edge of Santa Monica on the pier. And all this behind me is all ocean. Pure ocean. Oh my god! Oh my god! Score!
You're so funny.
What now?
Oh, shit.
Say what? Say
Damn.
Oh yeah, you're gonna down that shit right now? Down that shit. You ain't down. Oh, yeah, see? Oh, she got a little bit left. No, she can't handle her liquor. Say what? Excuse me? You gonna slap me like that?
The one in Seattle is actually way better, actually.
No cap?
Yeah, the one in Seattle, because it looks like you're actually going into the ocean.
No cap.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is...
Alright, bet. We're going on Ferris wheel in Seattle.
Bet.
Bet. Bet. Bet.
Yeah, you taking photos of me?
Am I taking photos of you?
Are you taking photos?
Am I taking photos? Is that what you're asking? Because I'm not. Alright, all jokes aside, guys. I don't know if you can see us clearly, but we're on the Ferris wheel. We got on. We both need to pee badly. But come back. Oh my god.
The wind is blowing my hair in the wrong direction.
Alright, so we both need to pee so badly. We're a little tipsy.
Yeah.
And we're on a Ferris wheel. A lot can happen on the Ferris wheel.
Yeah?
Yeah, a lot can happen.
Oh.
That's good. Where?
The roller coaster is shaped.
It's not even there.
No, it's shaped as a...
Lie.
It's shaped as a... Look, it's
Girl,
coming down right now.
You have made my life 1,000 times happier, and I've never felt this way before, honestly. And you deserve all the love.
That's so sweet. We're going again. I thought
We're going again. Oh my god, we're going again. Oh my god. Whoa, this is our 5th time going
Maybe
up
they forgot about
and
us.
around the Ferris wheel. 5th time.
I think they
What are we
forgot
gonna
about
eat for dinner? What are we gonna drink for stuff?
No, I'm okay. We could just Wait.
Higher.
Higher. We get higher.
Yeah.
No way. Off the swing. Oh my god.
Yeah. Do a 360, 180, no scope black flip. Go backwards. Go backwards.
Go backwards.
Yeah. What the?
Where?
What the? What the? Jump, jump.
Jump.
Yeah, just jump. You didn't even jump.
I walked off.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Hey, now drop down. Drop down. Just drop down.
I'm not gonna drop down. And then you could should be able to like let go.
Damn.
Huh?
Where'd you learn that from?
Pole dancing.
Pole dancing?
Yeah.
My baby girl's a pole dancer.
Damn right.
Yeah. How would someone like you pee in a situation where you're on a beach?
You're on a beach? Well,
Yeah.
you gotta dig a hole first.
Hold on. You gotta dig what?
You gotta dig a hole.
You gotta dig a hole?
You gotta dig a hole.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright, and then what do you do?
And then you just kind of squat and sit down. It's better when you have a bikini.
Okay.
And then when you're done, you just kind of like... like a fucking turtle dog.
Nice. Dog.
Yeah, and then
nice.
look, and then you stand up and you're like, yo, what's going on? Like,
what's going on? What's
more
popping,
Trulies?
homie? What's
More
popping?
White
More.
Claws?
Oh.
Yeah. What?
Okay, okay.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened? Oh,
No.
alright.
Look at the snakes. Look at the snakes.
They're dirty. I'm intoxicated as well.
Damn. Okay, shit.
It's a cop car. But where's the officer? There's no officer. So it's just a lonely cop car.
It's cute. It's like a little go-kart with a trash can
with
on
a
the
trash
back.
can.
I mean, not really, but yeah.
We're headed back to the car, guys. I don't know if you can see us clearly, but we are heading back to the cars.
I was trying to make sure you could see. Okay.
Oh, I know I can. I know the camera can see me well at night. Excuse me, ma'am. What are you doing?
Watch me tie my shoes. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at those cherry
What's up?
blossom.
We're jaywalking? Say less.
What? Oh my god.
She's too scared to jaywalk.
Just ran without me.
You weren't holding my hand, so I had to run off without you, honey. Oh my god. What?
No, that's horrible.
That's not horrible at all. Oh, okay. Okay.
Please don't put that in the vlog.
No, too bad I'm putting it in there.
Wait. Turn it off. Wait. All this shit. Okay, ready? Go.
Sounds nice. Since we're heading back to the cars, I'm ending the vlog right now. Amelia and I are a little tipsy, so I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. It's currently, my watch is dead. What time is it?
Probably like 11 p.m.
It's probably 10 or 11 p.m. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for tuning in at today's vlog because it was just an us day and we really needed an us. Oh, it's only 8 p.m. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm checking out for tonight. Today was just mainly about us two having fun at the beach and the pier. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog because it was an amazing day. I had a very, very fun day with Amelia today. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So peace out and stay tuned.